MarkMorrisTour.com, engineer with the most videos in the world on YouTube, civil engineer. Would you take a test 5 years before you passed it? MarkMorrisTour.com. Would you take a test for 5 years and not pass it until the 6 years? Let me know. Subscribe. That's what happened to me. It took me 6 years to finally pass my civil engineering exam. It's probably been worth maybe over $500,000 for me passing it. And then if I would have quit, I wouldn't have had that $500,000. And I needed that $500,000 because on August 3rd, 2023, I had paid off my student loan. I made a payment of $1,995. That passing that PE gave me an extra 10%. So I paid off the student, by getting my PE license, I paid off my student loan. Subscribe. Sometimes you got to just take time. So I know some of you guys are going to have to pay these student loans. Some of you are going to pay credit cards. I've been in debt over $135,000. I had to pay money for lawyers. Sometimes you got to do this stuff, and the government can't help you. The government cannot give you initiative. The government cannot give you responsibility. They can take it away from you, and you end up homeless, living in a mobile home, hoping someone brings you something on Christmas. But for most people, there is some initiative. Subscribe. Life is not going to be hard, and it's going to get harder. We're heading into a recession. You already hear the defaults with the credit cards. So what I want you guys to do is join I'm going to give you 3 tips. Go to 202BToBroke.com. Give you 3 tips to help you pay off your loans. One tip I'm going to give you is to make sure you know your loan balances. Know your loan balance. Now go to 202BToBroke.com or email me for the rest. Subscribe. I've gone to the 2000, 1995, 2008. Now I'm going through the 2023 recession. Subscribe. See what I can do to help you.